Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 16th to the 20th of March 2026. On Monday, Nkosi and Kwezi wake up in a stunning penthouse, but their problems prevent them from truly enjoying it. Lehasa threatened to destroy Ubuli if she doesn't keep her mouth shut about their past on Tuesday. Peterson faces pressure from his superiors as he closes in on Kwezigazi and Nkosi. Tension escalates in the Homo household after Melita resigns from the hospital. A visit from childhood friend boosts Pretty's spirit on Wednesday. A shocking video causes panics and prompts a sudden trip out of town for someone. Pretty put on a brave face, but someone close to her can see the pressure mounting. Melita grapples with self-doubt after her resignation on Thursday. Kwezi throws Nkosi under the bus and blames him for Mkhuluku Mede's death. Melita struggled to find sponsors for Miss Germany on Friday. Nkosi walks in on Kwezi, plotting his downfall with Gobas. Mrs. Homo reaches out to Melita only to be rejected. Lewatle's attempt to be kind to Pex backfires. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.